When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 50, one company that stands out is SCON Design. With their expertise in the field, they offer a wide range of services to meet the specific needs of their clients. From land surveying to infrastructure planning, SCON Design has the knowledge and experience to provide accurate and reliable survey data. One of the key services offered by SCON Design is detail engineering survey services. This involves collecting precise measurements and data to create detailed plans and designs for construction projects. By using advanced surveying techniques and equipment, they are able to gather accurate information about the land and its surroundings. This data is then used to create comprehensive engineering plans that ensure the successful implementation of the project. Located in Noida Sector 50, SCON Design is strategically positioned to provide their detail engineering survey services to clients in the area and beyond. This allows them to have a thorough understanding of the local environment and regulations, ensuring that their surveys comply with all necessary requirements. Their team of skilled surveyors has extensive knowledge of the area, allowing them to efficiently carry out surveys and provide accurate results. SCON Design takes pride in their commitment to providing high-quality detail engineering survey services. They understand the importance of accuracy in engineering projects and strive to deliver precise and reliable data to their clients. By employing the latest surveying techniques and equipment, they are able to capture even the smallest details of the site, ensuring that their surveys are comprehensive and thorough. In addition to their detail engineering survey services, SCON Design also offers a range of other services related to infrastructure planning and development. SCON Design is a business that distinguishes out when it comes to detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 50. They provide a wide range of services to satisfy the various needs of their clients, thanks to their competence in the industry. SCON Design has the education and practical experience to deliver precise and trustworthy survey data, from land surveying to infrastructure development. Detail engineering survey services are one of the main services that SCON Design provides. In order to produce precise plans and designs for building projects, this calls for gathering precise measurements and data. They are able to obtain precise information about the land and its surroundings by utilizing cutting-edge surveying methods and tools. After gathering this information, detailed engineering plans are made to guarantee the project's effective execution. SCON Design is well positioned to serve clients in the neighborhood and beyond thanks to its Sector 50 location in Noida. They can therefore ensure that their surveys adhere to all relevant standards because they have a full awareness of the local environment and rules. With a wealth of local expertise, their team of knowledgeable surveyors can conduct surveys quickly and deliver reliable results. SCON Design is proud of its dedication to offering top-notch